Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to order from ASOS app. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our ASOS app. Here, as you can see, right after opening our ASOS app, will be on the page, which is the home page of the ASOS app. On the home page, you'll be able to see various options such as home, categories, new, and for you. And on the top, you'll also be able to see a search bar. Here, you'll have to find the thing that you want to order. For now, I will be quickly finding a dress to order. After you have decided on what you want to order, here you'll be able to see an option add to bag. Here you'll have to tap on that. After that, here it is a sizing help option. Here you'll have to choose the size that you want to order for your dress. After that, here you'll be able to see a shopping bag icon on the right hand side corner. Here you'll have to tap on the shopping bag icon. After that, here as you can see, there is a checkout option. Tap on it. After you have tapped on the checkout option on the very top, here you'll be able to see countries. Here you'll have to choose the country where you want your checkout to be done. If you have any promo, student code or gift vouchers and cards, then here you'll have to tap on the option that is written. Then if you have promo code or your student code, then you'll have to simply type the code in here. Or if you're using your voucher or your gift card, then you'll have to go on the second option and type in your character code. For now, let's go back. And after that, here you'll be able to see delivery address. Here you'll have to add your postal address. After tapping on the add address, here you'll have to type in your first name, your last name, your mobile number, your country, your address, town, city, postcode, and once you're done with all of that, you'll have to simply tap on deliver to this address. Let's go out, and after you're done with everything, here you'll be able to see delivery options. You'll get various delivery options, and after that you'll get payment options. There are many payment options such as PayPal, credit cards, and so on. After you're done with all of the steps, you'll be able to see your subtotals and total to pay. Once you have agreed to everything and you're sure about getting the product, then you can simply tap on buy now option that is located right below the total pay. And just like that, you'll have placed an order in your ASOS account. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to order from ASOS app. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.